Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. Today we're taking a look at the world of crypto. It's been a decidedly mixed week for cryptocurrencies, which are very much seen by the markets as risk assets. That's something that's in complete opposition to the idea that the coins are a store of value that investors would put money into in times of rising geopolitical tension, much as they do gold. But over the last 10 days, the gold price in black has remained relatively steady. The same can't be said for Bitcoin in US dollar terms, shown in red. Instead, Bitcoin has traded down to $36,400 on the news that Russia is recognizing breakaway regions in the Ukraine and is sending troops and tanks into those areas to act as peacekeepers. In terms of what's happening on the ground in Bitcoin was trading 47% below its November 21 high, and activity on the blockchain, as measured by metrics such as the number of active accounts or addresses, was at the lower bound of a 5-year uptrend. Indeed, 219,000 addresses that had previously held Bitcoin have been emptied over the last month. What's more, it is estimated that 25% of all active entities and accounts on the blockchain are in loss-making positions, with up to another 10% of holders on the cusp of moving into loss. Cardano has come under more pressure than most altcoins over the last week, losing 20.67% despite the fact that daily transaction volumes recorded on its blockchain are soaring. The value of daily activity on the Cardano blockchain has hit $17 billion, edging out Ethereum to become the second most active blockchain after Bitcoin. In fact, Cardano has seen 2 days recently when transaction volumes exceeded $30 billion. The source of that volume increase is the recently launched SundaeSwap DEX, or decentralized exchange, that runs on the Cardano infrastructure. And since SundaeSwap opened for business, total transactions, daily transactions, and the number of active addresses on the Cardano blockchain have risen sharply. Though the total number active Cardano addresses of 3.4 million is way behind the 76 million on the Ethereum network. However, despite that size differential, Morgan Stanley's wealth managers believe that Cardano can mount a longer-term challenge to Ethereum, thanks in part to its dual-layered blockchain. Crypto exchange operator Coinbase Global hasn't been out of the headlines since the Super Bowl, thanks to its minimalist commercials that invited viewers to scan a QR code and then register to win a modest holding of Bitcoin. The 30-second slots proved so popular that they crashed the Coinbase website. However, despite claims by Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong that the campaign was developed in-house, one of the country's leading ad agencies has come forward to say that its ideas were behind the success. The CEO of the Martin agency, Kristen Cavallo, took to Twitter to directly challenge Brian Armstrong's comments, detailing meeting dates and page numbers in presentations made to Coinbase staff that outlined the idea of the floating QR code strategy. Those revelations have put Brian Armstrong, who had previously tweeted that no ad agency would have done this ad, in a very embarrassing position.